Hi, my name's Shannon and I'm part of the technical support team. I completed my level 2 diploma in customer services a few years ago now. It began when I received an email encouraging colleagues to consider an apprenticeship or qualification. The company gives you time during your workday to complete your qualification. It's paid for by the business and it's a great way to further your career. It took me around 12 months to gain my diploma, for which I had to provide evidence of my skills, complete coursework and pass a maths test. It was the maths test that I found most challenging, as I had to redo some of my past exams as part of my diploma, but I didn't let myself be daunted by it. I had to push myself and in the end it worked out well. Since completing my apprenticeship, I have got a new job now as part of the technical support team. I had an interview and I think the apprenticeship really helped boost my confidence in interview. I love doing the apprenticeship, as I say, part of my work time. It was really beneficial for me. It boosted my confidence. I think when you are out of education for some time, you can be daunted by it, and it's always good to improve your skills. Anybody wanting to have a go, I would say do it. Step out of your comfort zone. You won't regret it.